Should you have an LLC for each rental property that you own? Hi, everyone. My name is Dan Nguyen. I'm a business attorney in Orange County, California. I work with a lot of real estate investors, and they always ask me this question: whether they should open an LLC for each real estate rental property that they own. And I always tell them, in the ideal world, you want each rental property in its own LLC so you can isolate the liabilities in that particular LLC and don't have your other real estate properties exposed to those particular liabilities. Now, in the practical sense, especially in California, where there's an $800 franchise tax for each LLC, it gets really expensive as your portfolio grows. So, um, if you have the funds, if you have the resources, then go ahead and do that. That would give you better protection than jamming all of your real estate rental properties into one or multiple um, LLCs. The other thing you need to consider is as you create more LLCs, you're going to have more accounting fees. Okay, more costs to maintain these particular LLCs, more time, more money, more resources devoted to not just maintaining your properties themselves, but also maintaining the structures that support your real estate empire. So now your accounting fee goes, your maintenance fees grows. So it's not just the $100 franchise tax, but you have to pay more professionals or spend more time yourself maintaining this structure. Um, One of the things you can do as kind of a compromise is that you can put you can put maybe two or three in one LLC and maybe two or three in another, depending on how big your portfolio goes. One way to look at this, if you are adamant about opening an LLC for each rental property, is to think about the $800 franchise tax and maybe any additional fees that you pay as a kind of pseudo insurance. It's not really insurance, but you think about it'll cost you $800 and maybe it's a little bit more to maintain personal asset protection. So that might be one way to look at it. But in any case, your fees will increase, your cost to maintain will increase as you grow your real estate portfolio and put each of your rental properties in an LLC. So at the end of the day, there's no really right answer. It is what you're comfortable with and what resources are you willing to put into maintaining this structure. Okay, I hope this has been helpful. This is Dan talking about real estate and LLCs. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Talk to you soon. Bye.